If you ever need to remove an integration from Claude, you can easily disconnect your connected accounts from the settings menu. Feel free to leave a like if you find this quick walkthrough helpful. Open the user profile icon at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Select Settings from the Account menu. Move down the sidebar to the Customize section. Click Connectors to view all your active integrations. The page displays your current connections and available popular connectors. Find Gmail in the table to check its active status. Open the Gmail row to access its connector details page. Here you can see the connector description, prompt suggestions, and tool permissions. Click the three dots menu icon located near the top right corner. Select the red Remove option from the drop-down list. A confirmation dialog explains that Claude will no longer be able to access new content from Gmail. Confirm the removal by clicking the red Remove button inside the dialog. The integration is now removed, and the main connectors page updates to show that Gmail is disconnected. You've successfully disconnected Gmail from Claude and revoked its access. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.